Hi guys, in front of me is DOOGEE T10E, and let me show you how to boot developer options. First of all, open the settings, then scroll all the way down. At first mark system. As you can see, there is no developer options. To unlock them, you need to open about tablet, then select build number and tap on it 7 times. Once you do it, you need to provide your pattern to confirm. And as you can see, from now on, you are a developer. So now let's enter system again. And as you can see, developer options appeared right here. Tap to open, use them however you like, do whatever you want. And then if you want to switch them off, just unmark the stop indicator and they will be no longer accessible. Then you will have to unlock them again to use them one more time. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.